Hi, I'm Lori Hayden, a garden coach at English Gardens. Here is my gardening quick tip. Every gardener has a favorite tool. Mine is my garden journal. It has become a valuable organizational tool. Most of us think we'll remember what we've seen or done in our garden, but time is a funny thing. It's so easy to forget. So what is a garden journal? It's a place to keep records, observations, plans, and anything that relates to your garden. Garden journals assist in keeping track of problems so preventative actions can be planned for a future season. It's easier to create notes than remember 6 months after a season ended. Choose a journal format that suits your needs. For a simple journal, use a notepad. For a more serious journal, choose a large binder. Supplies for creating a garden journal are a 3-ring binder, clear sheet pockets, divider sheets, note or graph paper, and calendar. Once you have your supplies, it's a matter of recording and tucking things into the sleeves. Here are some items to include: a garden design layout, pictures of your garden during spring, summer, and fall, plant information sheets, plant tags, receipts, calendar, notes on insect and disease problems, seed packets, and future garden ideas. Looking back throughout your garden journal can be exciting as you can see how your garden progressed. It's a great way to get inspired and plan your next gardening adventure. I'm Lori Hayden, your garden coach at English Gardens, helping to make your life beautiful by making gardening easier.